Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best heavy-duty rolling plant stands available on the market, the Bosmere S18410 Down Under Plant Caddie. If you're looking for a convenient way to move heavy plants around your patio or garden, this might just be the perfect solution for you. The Bosmere Down Under Plant Caddie is designed to make your gardening life easier. It's built with durability and functionality in mind, featuring high-quality nylon and steel wheels that ensure smooth rolling, even with plants weighing up to a whopping 500 pounds. This makes it suitable for almost any size or shape of pot or planter. Let's talk about its features. Firstly, it's crafted from heavy-duty, UV-resistant plastic, ensuring it can withstand the elements without rusting or corroding. Perfect for outdoor use year-round. The Caddie also includes one locking caster to keep your plants securely in place. What sets the Bosmere Plant Caddie apart is its versatility. Whether you have large ceramic pots or hefty wooden planters, this Caddie can handle them all with ease. It's like having a reliable assistant in your garden, effortlessly moving your greenery wherever you need it. Now, let's dive into the user experience. Customers rave about the stability and sturdiness of this plant Caddie. It's designed not just to move plants but to do so smoothly and safely, without damaging your flooring or patio surface. Whether you're rearranging your outdoor space or bringing plants indoors for the winter, the Bosmere Caddie makes the task a breeze. Its maneuverability allows you to navigate tight corners and narrow spaces without any hassle. Speaking of durability, Bosmere, a trusted name in gardening tools, has crafted this Caddie to last. It's designed to endure the wear and tear of frequent use, promising years of reliable service in your garden. Now, how does it stack up against other plant Caddies? Well, its 500-pound weight capacity and robust build put it at the top of its class. Plus, with its sleek black design, it blends seamlessly into any garden or patio decor. Before we wrap up, let's address some frequently asked questions. Yes, it's suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. No, assembly is minimal, you can start using it right out of the box. And yes, it's definitely worth the investment if you're serious about your gardening. In conclusion, the Bosmere S18410 Down Under Plant Caddie is not just a plant stand, it's a game changer for anyone with a passion for gardening. Its heavy-duty construction, smooth rolling wheels, and versatile design make it a must-have accessory for plant enthusiasts of all levels. That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews like this. Until next time, happy gardening!